now I'm going to visit Tok Wat Tham Phra, which means like a Buddha cave waterfall, which is in, I think we're still in Bueng Kan Province. It's an unusual waterfall in the sense that to get there you've got to take a little boat ride, and then after that you've got a little hike, and it takes you up to the waterfall area. So we're just about to get our tickets for the ferry. Right, so that's 50 baht each for the ferry ticket. Right, here we go. You walk down from the pier. Into your boat, so I guess we'll sit at the front so we have unimpeded view. Woo! Felt that move. Looks like we've got a little stowaway. He didn't have to pay 50 baht, did he? So once you get off the boats, immediately opposite is a stairway which takes you up the hill up towards the waterfall. Sawadee krab. เราจะไปเที่ยวสนุกไหม Right, we've got an inspection point. Sawadee krab. Sawadee krab. Right, I've got to register your name here. Bueng เซ็นชื่อแท่งสนนะครับคนเดียวก็ได้เรา I can do it for you ครับตัวนี้มันเป็นยังไงไปสนุกไหมสนุกค่ะเรามีน้ำหรือเปล่าตอนนี้มีน้ำครับอ๋อยังมีน้ำโตขอบคุณครับ Thank you ขอบคุณครับสวัสดีครับอยู่ข้างบนนะครับเด้อแต่ไรโอเคจะไปข้างบนเลยขอบคุณครับ The man who's so good he can handle two cameras at the same time. as you can see, the Thais are absolutely in their element at this place. They love it. Any chance they get to get in the water and have a splash about. Right, walk around. Oh, they're putting steps. I'm going for that. I thought we were going to have to scramble up there. That would have been a bit too much even for Karl's Thailand, I think. Up some stairs, well I'm used to that. Well, a few stairs, but after Wat Phu talk yesterday, absolutely nothing. It's a doddle. Oh, look at that, looks lovely up here. Look at that. Worth the walk. Oh, yeah. And when you get to the top of the stairs, this is the view that's waiting for you. How about that, eh? Totally stunning, worth every single step. Well, last time I came here 6 or 7 years ago, there was absolutely no water at all, and there certainly wasn't a proper waterfall like that. That is absolutely beautiful.